Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Dragon City on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Dragon City on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website. So here on this website is where we will download the game. So just go and click it. And then there it is, guys. You will now see the download button. Just go and click it. And then the game installer will now be downloaded. So you can now click the file to start installing the game. And after that, the installation process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Dragon City installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.